Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and Apple has just recently released iOS 18.1.1. Now this is a really important update as it brings new security fixes and improvements to your device. And according to Apple, every iPhone user is highly suggested that they do update their device to the new iOS 18.1.1 immediately. Now alongside with this update, Apple also has released iOS 17.7.2. This is of course for users that do own an iPhone that doesn't support the new iOS 18. So the same goes for them as well. They should immediately update to this new software release to maintain their device's security as Apple recommends. So now that you know that you must update your iPhone to this new release, there are also a few things that you should know that you have to do once you have updated your iPhone to the new iOS 18.1.1. Now the first thing I suggest you do is check the battery health of your iPhone. Now usually you will see a drop on battery health once you have updated your iPhone to a new software release. That happens very frequently for a lot of users. Now it's not the fault of the software update, but the problem is that when you go ahead and take a look at the battery health of your iPhone, it won't show you the exact battery health all the time. Sometimes it will be stuck on a number for a long time, and when you update your iPhone, the device of course will recalibrate all its components, and then it will show you the maximum capacity, the real maximum capacity of your iPhone. So if you have a battery that's close to be under 80%, make sure to check the battery health immediately after you have updated to the new iOS 18.1.1. Now some really great news I've heard about this update. I've seen this from a lot of users reporting that they got plenty of free storage on their device because the system data is now much smaller with the new update. So head on to the general settings and go right here under the iPhone storage and take a look at the system data that you have on your iPhone and see how much space they're taking on your device. Now I'm currently at 13.8 right there, which is good. It's not that bad at all, but a lot of users have actually reported that it has dropped here. The space that system data is taking has dropped significantly, so go ahead and check yours and see if this update actually helped. Another thing I suggest you do right here under the general settings once you have updated to iOS 18.1.1 is go ahead and go to the about section. Just open the about section and stay there for like 10 seconds and see if you have a carrier update for your device. Usually when Apple releases new software updates, there will also be a lot of different carrier updates for a lot of different carriers. So if you have one, simply by going to the about section and staying there for like 10 seconds, it should pop up right there. You tap install and in a couple of seconds you're done. And the last thing that I suggest everyone does once they have updated to a new software update, and I suggest you do this all the time, but if you haven't, now is the time to do it. Make sure that you have automatic updates enabled for your device. At least have security responses and system files enabled. Otherwise, you risk of course, having your device not updated and not having the latest security fixes, which are highly recommended by Apple. So make sure you have all of these turned on and always have your device up to date. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button. Of course, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.